Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your budget with Wally, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Wally app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in the app, navigate to the dashboard. To start tracking your budget, click on the Add Expense button. Enter the amount you spent. Choose a category for your expense, like groceries or entertainment. This will help you see where your money is going. Add a note if you want to remember specific details about the expense. Tap Save to record the expense. Next, go to the Income section. Click on Add Income to input your earnings. Type in the income amount and select the appropriate source. Save your income entry to keep your budget balanced. Now, head to the Budget section. Set your monthly budget for each category. This will give you clear spending limits. As you add expenses, Wally will show you how much you have left in each category. Regularly review your spending to stay on track. You can also set up notifications for budget limits. To get insights, check the Reports section. This feature helps you visualize your spending habits over time. If you notice overspending, adjust your budget accordingly. Consider setting financial goals within the app. This can motivate you to stick to your budget. Sync your bank accounts for automatic tracking if you prefer. This can simplify the process and save you time. Remember to regularly check in with your budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.